It's a Saturday. We have beautiful, wonderful, nice snow here in Morley. Now you can see Michael, my next door neighbor, he is slowly arriving here. Despite we have here the advantage of the Gulf Stream, we still have snow here in England. That's the first time since February 1991 that I'm seeing such a lot of snow here in the north of England. We are moving now slowly towards the garden area, and nevertheless it's still slightly snowing. It looks beautiful because everything is covered under a wonderful, nice blanket. Now you got a little bit impression that we not only have winter time in Switzerland or in the Black Forest. Cheerio, bye bye.